In February 2026, the greatest threat to your dominion isn't a thief in the night. It's a line of code in a central bank. We have entered the era of financial cancel culture. If you hold the wrong opinion, support the wrong cause, or simply move too much of your own money, your access to the world can be severed in a heartbeat. No due process. No appeal. Just a locked icon on an app. Most men are financially fragile because they have consolidated their life's energy into a system they do not control. The Stoics taught us that wealth is a preferred indifferent it is good to have, but we must never be its slave. But to be truly indifferent to the whims of the powerful, you must first be independent of their systems. Today, we are building your economic fortress. We are learning how to diversify not just for profit, but for permissionless freedom. This is the Dominion Thesis. Section 1, The Illusion of Your Money. The first step to financial sovereignty is a brutal realization: the digits in your bank account are not money. They are an IOU from a private institution. In 2026, banks are no longer just vaults, they are gatekeepers. If you rely on a single bank for your payroll, your savings, and your transactions, you have a single point of failure. Dominion requires distributed risk. You must treat your traditional bank as a transit zone, a place where money passes through, but never stays for long. Section 2, The Barbell of Assets. In our earlier sessions, we discussed the barbell strategy. Now, we apply it to your survival. On one side, you must hold hard assets that exist outside the digital grid. Physical gold, silver, tools, and land. Things that don't require an internet connection or a login to have value. On the other side, you must master decentralized finance. In 2026, Bitcoin and other peer-to-peer protocols are no longer speculation. They are the lifeboats of the global economy. If you don't own your keys, you don't own your coins. A sovereign is his own central bank. Section 3, Geographic Arbitrage. Why keep all your empire in one jurisdiction? In 2026, the state is increasingly desperate for tax revenue and control. The economic fortress involves flag theory. Have your business in one country, your residency in another, and your assets in a third. By spreading your presence across borders, you make it mathematically impossible for any single government to turn you off. You are no longer a taxpayer to be managed, you are a global citizen to be courted. Section 4, The Underground Economy. Dominion is built on trade, and trade existed long before the modern banking system. In 2026, you must cultivate a shadow network of local trade. Who can you buy from with cash? Who will accept silver for services? Who will trade their skills for yours? Building a high-trust, off-grid local economy is the ultimate defense against CBDCs and digital surveillance. When the system glitches, the man with the local network keeps eating while the man with the credit score starves. Section 5, The Discipline of Stealth Wealth. In a debanking era, flashiness is a liability. If you look like a target, the algorithm will find you. The Stoic practices stealth wealth. He lives like a commoner but thinks like a king. By keeping your head down and your profile low, you avoid the envy tax and the regulatory spotlight. Dominion is not about showing power, it's about possessing it. The most dangerous man is the one who looks like he has nothing to lose, but owns everything. Section 6, Securing the Digital Pipeline. Your ability to earn in 2026 is often tied to digital platforms. If your Stripe or PayPal is shut down, is your business dead? The economic fortress requires payment redundancy. Accept multiple currencies. Use decentralized payment processors. Have accounts in multiple regions. Never allow a single terms of service update to determine if you can feed your family. Section 7, The Memento Mori of the Market. The Stoic remembers that all empires fall and all currencies eventually go to zero. By accepting the temporality of the current system, you lose your fear of its collapse. You don't panic when the headlines scream reset. You have already reset your own life. You are invested in things that survive the fire: your skills, your reputation, your land, and your tribe. The system can take your indifference, but it can never take your virtue. Section 8, Conclusion. The 2026 economy is a weapon. You can either be the target, or you can build the shield. Diversify your jurisdictions. Master your cold storage. Build your local network. Stop being a user of the bank and start being the owner of your energy. The locked icon is only a threat to the man who has no other doors. Stay liquid. Stay sovereign. This is the Dominion Thesis.